characteristics of the unity of the early church. In Acts chapter 2, we discover some of the things that they did that made them to be successful. If we do the same thing from our hearts intentionally, we will achieve the same results or better results. One of the things is they were in one accord in worship, and that was why the presence of God was present in their meetings. But when we come to church with loads and bags of hatred, of bitterness against one another, and we are coming before him, he's not interested. We are wasting our time. So what we must be doing now as a church is to make our gatherings a priority. Let us make God a priority like they did in our lives. Let us not make God the number 20 in our to-do list. Let us make him number 1. Number 1, in worship, in prayer, in the study of the word, in Sunday services. Let us gather. Let us come. Let us bring our families with us and wait and see what the Lord will do. Unity grows when we are together in all that we do. When we unite together in worship and all of us will participate, unity grows because our hearts are knitted together as one before